Welcome to the International Space Training Center. You're here today to train for the greatest adventure in the history of mankind, space exploration. I know you're probably feeling a little nervous right now, but don't worry. Every astronaut has felt that way at one time or another, even the heroes who went to the moon. But there is one thing they had that you don't have yet: training.
Pilots, the X-2 is an excellent ship. All you have to do is fire the second stage and deploy the shields. Surgeon, how are we doing?
LRT, go. TBC? Go. TTC? TTC, go. LPS?
LPS, go.
Milo? Milo, go. Inco?
Inco is go.
SDM?
SDM, go.
Good luck, team. All of us here at Mission Control are proud to be a part of this historic liftoff.
GC is go. Mission Control, this is the fire zone. Give us the go and go for launch. Eagle. Go. Surgeon. Network. Go for launch. You are go for launch. We have main engine start. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift off. Mission Control, the tower is clear. They're all yours.
Mission Control to Mars X-2.
You are go and throttle up.
Commander.
Zero G confirmed.
You're looking good, team. Pilot, engage second stage rocket. Now.
Engaged. Leaving Earth orbit. Velocity 15,000. 16,000.
You should have visual of the space station now, and you are on course for your slingshot around the moon. Navigator, fire rocket. Beautiful sight, isn't it? Something to dream about on the way to Mars. Engineer, activate hypersleep. Now.
Computer override activated. Hypersleep duration 3 months. Monitoring mode.
Rise and shine. Let's go, team. We've got a problem.
Beginning evasive maneuvers.
This meteor storm is directly over your Mars landing site.
Proximity alert.
The shield, now.
Shield deployed.
We're ready for deorbit burn.
Navigator.
Override. Wings extended.
We've lost autopilot.
Activated.
All hands on the control stick. Pull back. Pull back. Left. Pull left. Watch the canyon wall. Now right. Ease it left.
They're coming in too hot.
Back to center. Just hold it steady.
Runway ends in 1,000 feet. 200
Watch
feet.
the barrier.
50 feet.
Pull back. Hang on.
location, Canyon Edge.
Don't move a muscle. Good work, team. You made it to the landing site. Welcome to Mars. And welcome to the Astronaut Corps.